Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unraveled secrets of video editing, please can you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload. KineMaster is an Android video editing application that enables you to edit your video right from your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you the basic features of this app and things you can actually do with it. It's very easy to use. So click on this add new object, select the size you want to use, that is the aspect ratio of the project, and I'm going to select 16:9, and that brings you to this page. So go to the asset store to install some of the transition effects, the asset that you need for creating your video. So we're going to select one and review. So this is how it's going to play like. So this is how this transition effect looks like. That is the preview. Then what do? You install it. When you click on download, after downloading, it installs automatically to this application. So run through some of this effect and download them. So we'll go to the music aspect of the asset and download some music, install it. This is text, download some text. So when you install, it goes into your, when you want to type a message, it will bring the text up for you. You will see the text option, and this is some of the other effects. FX. So you're going to be selecting this from this menu by your left hand side, and then install the one you want to install. So let's go back to the app itself to add a media. That is the first section. Then what we're going to add is background, white background. It has a white background now to start editing. So on this background we can add a layer, add a text, overlay, effect or media, anything you can add. You can add video on it. So let's add a media to the background. I'll take my picture. So you can drag and zoom, set the sizes. You can make it a full screen, cut it just the way you want it. So there's an option for you to adjust. You can hold it, pinch it, and then drag to your desired position. So now we have positioned our video. So let's add another effect in animation to this video, to this image I mean. So you can see pop, slide right, slide left, slide up, and you can also change the speed. This is the speed. When you drag it to the left or right, the speed of the animation, this is 0.5. so that has been applied to the image now. You can see that. So let's add another section. Let's add another section now of the media in the scene. So edit it. So we can drag it back. Yeah. When you want to increase the size, you just hold the element and drag to adjust the size. So let's put a transition in between these two sections. So let's select this. So you can see the effect now. To go to the next play, that transition effect will come up first. Then on the video itself, I want to add a clip graphics. Here the clips graphics I downloaded and installed from the asset store, from the KineMaster asset store. So let's use device mockup now. I can put the video inside a device like phone, laptop, or desktop. Put that in a phone, so the video will be playing inside the phone. You can adjust the size. When you adjust the size, it affects the speed of the transition effect. The longer it is, the slower it will come up, like the text. So you can add text. You can add text, Eden Hazard. And change the font of the text, font size. Add another text to the second section of the text, second box of the text. And change the font again. And okay, so we can see that. Let's play it from the beginning now and see it pop up. And the transition effect occurs to the next. Let's add an in animation again, the out animation to the video, to the image on the background layer of the first section. We can add clip graphic also to the background. So I'm just taking you through basic things this app can do. And you can choose to add the clip graphics or not. So now let's move on to add more text on this page. Aside from the text in the clip graphic, we can add normal text to the scene on the video again. Add as many text as you can to describe your video. You can change the text color. Let's duplicate the text. That makes it easier for us to duplicate. Then if you want to change the text, you click on this keyboard icon to retype the text. So you can see that if you want to adjust or place the object in the right place, just hold it down until you hear a vibration. When it vibrates, then you drag to the position where you want it to be. So let's add the music now. Click on the music icon, it brings you to this page to add the music. And if you want to download the music, you can click on this store in the store icon to take you to KineMaster Store to download a music. So when you've located the music you want to add, you click on that plus sign, and that will add the music straight into your editing. Sorry, I muted the sound of the song of the video. So this is how to mute a sound audio. Click on the audio icon and either you adjust or mute. You can also edit the sound. So whatever you want to edit on this scene, then just click on it, then the options for the editing will come up. So let's go and edit the audio fade in and fade out. So we can turn that on. Audio fading, start of project, from the beginning of the project. Then you adjust to the sides to the point where you want it to fade into. And this is fade out at the end of the project. So you want it to fade out from so minutes to the end of the video. When you play it to the end, the video fades out. So we can record a sound by clicking on the sound icon, sound recording icon, and begin to record. After recording, just press stop and your sound will be recorded. So to export your video, just exit the video, then click on the video again and click on that share icon. And here you can adjust the size of the video. This is SD 540p, and adjust the quality high or low or mid or medium. So then you click on export, so that begin to export your video. Load the person.